and welcome to another Agile Ticketing Solutions video training series. Today we're going to learn how to create a membership renewal email using the Agile CRM tool. Agile Ticketing provides an automated email process to remind your members that they are nearing their expiration date. Follow the instructions to find out how to set up these automated emails. First, you're going to log into Agile Administration. Then you're going to open your corporate organization house and go down to the yellow customer folder. And then we're going to click on customer relations. There are many CRMs that are preset in Agile. So you may have some CRMs that you need to request that are more specialized, but we have found that most of the CRM queries that we have out there are queries that most of our organizations use over and over again. So for this one, we are going to select membership renewal notice with level selection. Now what this does is it allows us to either create 1 or 2 or 3 different renewal email reminders based on levels, selections, or certain parameters that you're actually entering in, such as 30-day renewal notice, 45-day past expiration notice, etc. So once you've selected the membership renewal notice with level selection, we're going to go into the CRM query email area and we're going to right click and select new. Now, the first thing that you'll need to do once we have this open is set your parameters. So we're going to click on parameters, and I'm going to go ahead and set this up to send emails 30 days prior to a person's expiration of their membership. So this is actually a reminder to let them know they are about to expire within the next 30 days. Now, if you want to set certain dates, you can do that as well if you don't want to do it based on the expiration date. So you can actually create any of these that are based on a date range that you want to email out. You can also set it up to where it emails specific levels. So if you have different information that you want to send to various people based on their level of giving, you can enter in the level type, and if you have multiple of those that get the same letter, you can actually separate it by a tilde. I'm going to just say I want to do all of these as a 30-day renewal. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the membership tab and point it to the membership program that we are creating the reminder for. Once we've set our parameters, next thing we're going to do is click on the email body here and create our email. So we want to make sure that we've got the correct from email address in there so that way they can reply if they have any questions. And we also want to make sure that we add the subject line. So I'm going to go ahead and put what I want them to see when they receive this email. So now we're ready to create our email. So you can actually create an email using images. You can upload your logo or header that you want to put on the email. So we're going to select our image. We're going to click here and import the image that we want to add as our header image. And we can center it. We can resize if we need be. And then we're going to design our email. So in this email, we can actually add our text directly here. We can insert specific information that's part of the query. So I can actually put their first name here. So I can go in and add other information. You can see here I can actually also add a hyperlink to where it takes them directly to the page that I want them to go to renew. So that way they have the click through. Any other information that you need to add into this email, you can do that as well. Once you've created the emails that you're needing for automation, contact your Agile client support rep, and they will be able to set the switch for automation. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any other questions or need more information, you can join us on our community page, search for information on our knowledge base, or email our support team at support@agiletix.com.